Today's subject is wiggly tooth, the loose, tooth. When we become, older, then, not only wrinkle, but, everything becoming old, organ becoming older too. And the teeth is one of them too. Then, what's going to happen is, let's say, here is a tooth, and this is a molar. Now, what happens is, we have some kind of a gap in here. Now, because this is there is a gap in here, and this tooth, move over, then becoming a loose, a tooth, a wiggly tooth. Now, because there is no gum in here, so because of gap, this is a loose. So I had that wiggly tooth before. So I asked the dentist that there's no way to make stop. And so curiously, I called two more doctors, that a dentist, and is there any way if the tooth is loose, can you make fix it? And then all dentists said no, you cannot. So those specialists said you cannot, but I thought about it for a long time. Then maybe if I find the original cause, then I may be able to find it real how to fix it. So when I look at my classical books, this kind of a thing happened because empty heat. Now, empty heat means that when you take a temperature, nothing shows, but like a night sweating come. Sometimes in the back, I feel some kind of a heat in there. And however, when you take a temperature, nothing wrong about that. So those kind of symptoms we called empty heat. Now, when this empty heat happen, because yin deficiency. So yin deficiency, cause empty heat, then this make it dry, and this this dry make shrink. So because the empty heat, this is shrinking over here. So the original cause is yin deficiency. Therefore, we may be able to take care of yin deficiency. So now this because now the empty heat, yin deficiency, and the dry and the shrink happen. So the first thing we have to do, use a water pick. And the water pick is kind of very strong the water shooting. So we use a water pick, okay? Use a water pick like this, and we put shooting the water and clean over here. Because if there is any kind of a food, something like that, then we make inflammation, causing more issue. So we clean first of all. Then because yin deficiency here, so the number one representing yin is blood. Okay? So in other words, over here, the less blood over here. So we are going to send more blood into here. However, that the prepared long needle, then we try to, because the gap is, this is tight over here, and gap here is bigger, but in order to reach over here, we are not able to see. But only thing we may do, we use a needle, then we may feel, touching inside over here. So use a needle, touch over here, and prick there, then obviously blood comes out. Now you do just not only just one, but you do this way, or this way, and the other way. So you prick, 1, 2, 3, you do that. Then you suck and then blood may come out through this needle hole. Sometimes I felt the needle goes inside the gum, however, no blood comes out sometimes. However, if blood comes out, it's best. However, even though the blood doesn't come out, that may be okay too. After that, you got the salty water. I explained you already one time. Bamboo salt. I use bamboo salt with the water. Then take it on, drink a little bit. Then hold the water. Then you do massage in the back, rear part, front part. Then about 3 to 5 minutes, then you feel, oh, my gum becoming normal. So you do that with water, with bamboo salt. Then you do 3 days. Then you may feel, oh, my loose tooth becoming harder. Try. Thank you so much for your watching.